fellow people them for the United Nations Trust Territory of the British Southern Cameroons. Una be highly welcome for the No Konitok Zone talk show, an advocacy platform where they advocate for the independence of Ambazonia, which was the former British territories of the Southern Cameroons. I salute all man for what they for us. I want to take this moment for welcome all now for this show. For tell una say this show na a show where we push for policy them in line with my ideologies of civil liberty. That means we believe for public accountability, we believe for public knowledge, we believe for transparency, and we believe for all the principles them for democracy. Because anything we do together with plenty people them, you must use collective principle them, and the principle them for democracy na a collective principle them where it work fine. It make sure say if 2 or 3 people that they want to do something, if they respect this principle them or then work according to the principle them, they go work fine. So I want to salute all man for this platform and for welcome all una once more again. My name na Capo Daniel. That one na my activist name. Una know me very well. My name na Ndong Emmanuel. I go by that name Capo Daniel, which is very usual with our tradition of having nicknames to portray yourself in the way that people will relate with what you are doing. We see that one too for ground zero with our generals, and a very usual thing for our generations. So all man, you be welcome for us today. According to our tradition for this show, we go take time for play some one Mutumbu. We will play them. We go salute all man. We go first play our national anthem where we go remind we for which we will be about and which we will struggle for do for this platform and for the revolution for inside Ambazonia. I want to welcome all man for us again. Once more, my name na Capo Daniel, your sense pass king, your oversabi, your two-side collars, your your countryman, your Ngambe man, the keepers of your tradition, the holders of the language of the people, and all man be welcome for here. I did for here for tell una the truth and for hold truth for power and nothing but the truth, because I believe say the truth be very, very important for liberate we. Even sometimes the way it look like lie it be more convenient, there is no shortcut for victory. We must always stand on the truth, and believe it or not, the truth shall set us free. So we'll go straight for our presentation. We'll get a lot of things that we'll present, and today we're not gonna wait me all man come for online, but we're gonna share and make me more people than come. It will be more interactive, but that one will be the main objective. We'll not say 60% of our viewers that they come they for watch after we done already leave our digital footprint. So I will give a rundown for which we will go present and for una, so that any man will be very busy, he will know place for join. And if you want can follow up, you will know whether the topic them is correct for you. But as una know, our target na the 1% of Ambazonians, we need the target na crowd, and we believe say people they take their time for watch we na the most smartest people amongst Ambazonia. We would welcome for see the full the increase and more and people that they become more wise as things that they go as time to it go. So we will start straight by playing our national anthem, and thanks to technology, we will go back right for 2016 when this struggle will start at the end of 2017 as our people that for ground zero they be rise, they be answer that call way Seseko Ayokta be gam say if people then want say we go change from federalism and for go directly to our full right for independence, me then come out, then stand, count themselves, and then we will know what to do. The people that be come out, we will see them come out for all over the 15 states of Ambazonia. They will come out for welcome Seseko a message, and they will declare according to the will of the people where they will express them for the 22nd of September. On the 1st of October, we be na the day where the United Nations be grants we our independence by joining, and we be ever be effectuated. On that day, it be declared the restoration of our independence and sovereignty. So maybe we'll go for that day, we'll go take some video them, we'll join our people them. It will also be a way for remind we say now the reason this way we do the thing the more we do them. So we'll go join our people from the great state of Bui for sing our national anthem with them. I will put the video for my back. Maybe we'll sing. I salute all man for us. I welcome now. We salute all the people them for Bui, the ADF, the Ambazonian Defense Forces, those where they be free. We also salute those where they stay under the Bui warriors. A very difficult time for we. We will salute them all. The one for the Bui Palace. Now palace that on so where our people will be go for the and mass go talk for the fun. They will not want anything for the Republic. They want me go for the Republic, come back for home. The same as we will be stay for Nigeria for 41 years. Number 42 years we withdraw back. Now the same thing we will ask them for this time. So now it is for Bui Palace for 2017 where the people them from Amazonia be go for talk for their palace. Me papa for village, me fund them. Me then come out, me will come back, we form our own country. So me will join them for sing our Amba and so I will take this time to salute all man to the house. I salute Wilby. I salute Joseph Lee, Stanley Matthew, you welcome. Abu Free, Amber Panther. Max Ken, you be welcome. Joe Brown, you be welcome. And all man for around the world will be welcome. Those for UAE, Dubai, and those for South America, those for the border for Mexico. I salute all those for Gabon, Central Africa, Equatorial Guinea, Ghana. I salute all those for Lagos, those for Ikom, those for the Cross River States. I salute all. And I welcome all song. So we're going to sing our national anthem together with the people of Ground Zero. So now people have a Ground Zero. Okay, I define the place where the music did a video of a long so I go stop and for day. And once more, that segment for the national anthem it don't pass. We salute our brave warriors. We salute all the Amber boys. We salute those and where them be in detention. And we salute those where them be for detention for Bamenda Cell. We'll never forget them for Bengui, for Womb, for Jakiri. Those where them be detained for Fako, for Tiko. We salute them. Those where them be in bed, where them be detained across the territory, and those who don't transport them across the Mongo into La Republique du Cameroon. We salute them as well. We want to take this time now, a time for our viewers, for all the Kunta Kintes, where they watch me now, the most smartest people from Amazonia, and a time for me to salute now. Ayok Paul, I salute you. Amber Fire Son, I salute you. Anderson, we will take time, we will play some One Mutumbu, our soldier then for Ground Zero, then sing some French song, but not be song for La Republique, na song for Ivory Coast, so it be trendy. It show we say even inside war, the spirit of our soldiers then be strong, and they get ready to deploy come February when a very strategic moment. So we will join our soldier there for Ground Zero while we welcome all man. So so our problem with French not be because of French, but because of La Republique. So our soldier that join music even from other French countries. I salute all of our house. I salute Emil, you be welcome. Mosit, you be welcome. Emma, you be welcome. And Najela Gels, I salute you. I salute your daughter, very beautiful. And she has a very talented Amber lady. We salute them all. Williams, you be welcome. Edison, Gabriela, you be welcome. All man be welcome for house. So I salute all man. We'll get a lot to discuss today, and I will present them. See our soldier them how they enjoy them be in high morals. We show we say them be ready for the mission and they be in high spirit. So even for war, their spirit is strong and they be willing to be deployed. So I salute all them. I salute all our forces on Ground Zero. And to rest, I salute you too. I salute all man. We get a lot. We will talk about the killings, the way it go on from Mato, Moyuka. A total of 45 people that have been killed this January alone. Last month we get over 86 people that have been killed in total. So Cardinal Tumi, your analysis will be wrong. And we will talk what happened today for the graduation ceremony for La Republique, the Combined Military Academy. Mr. Pobia ran sent some message from there. We will talk about them. We will talk about the plot to assassinate Amazonia prisoners. We will talk about the show of trial, Rata and Eric Tato. We will talk about those ones as well. Tapang Ivo. We'll talk about
I
Ayaba
make
True
for
response.
the
We'll talk
video.
about the failure of Ambazonian
Got him, mama.
shut down schools that are licensed by La République du Cameroon.
I
The
did.
failure to our children. We will talk about all those. So once more, ladies and gentlemen, you are all welcome for the No Corny Talk Zone, an advocacy platform where we push forward for things the way if we change the struggle. No, the joke can never can clap hand. Do you want to be entertainment? Do you want to be for fame? Do you want to be for push any career? Do you want to be personality court? But now for make sure say me all thing what they do and me they go to us for the restoration. See the dream and the sacrifices for the Ambazonia people for this ghost town where they take them and the fight with the boys that they give their life for fight, it will give we result. Would want take this moment for forget a few seconds for salute the bravery of our sniper. He done do a wonderful work. It be been a nightmare for La République du Cameroon, Mr. Emmanuel Tata, General Fon of the Ambazonian Defense Forces in Bui. We salute he and we salute the family. Imami be unconsolable. The entire family they be devastated. Say their son be killed, not in the battle way be done set out the life for fight for, but he be killed by a friendly fire. People the way they be manipulated. It dead will be investigated and justice shall be delivered. From the examination of the bullet wound, he was shot from the in front on his head. His hands were tied behind. Our forensic expert, thanks to our two forensic experts who get them. One a commissioner for some Ambazonian commissioner where they serve for inside La Republic. It help with for do forensic checks. Now Ambazonian Patriot we get another forensic expert where they for UK. It help with also a member for police for UK. We get another one where they for America where they help with to for do forensic. All them they don't examine the pictures for the dead body. Then talk say then see say a lot of anger dey for the person wey kill e go surely be with the suspect. Would I even talk me the boy warriors them then check among their rank. We know say na La République du Cameroon they be ready wanted dead. If it be when an undercover police person or La République military way they within that forces. I not talk say na a person way be they been a suspicion way even if the boy warrior them if they do not to true work themselves go try for check the person way kill if you find out what way happen. We know say Fon be among them for a long time. He didn't participate for peace negotiation between the two groups them, and so there was no reason for anybody to harbor that amount of hatred for Fon. Even during the time where they be arrest General Kapura, Fon be been one of those people that will work with ye for bring peace and for choose reconciliation over confrontation. He be always been a peacemaker and a very important instrument for our fight for liberation. His loss is a big blow to Ambazonia, but we must continue the fight. There are other people who have stepped up to have the training. We have more than one sniper on the ground, and eventually we will catch up. So we will start today. We'll not go waste time. We will stand today with the people them for Mato, Moyoka, where La République du Cameroon, their troops them, they enter for day, then keep plenty people them. I will put the video, maybe gonna see which way go on for day. Now ADC here, then come inside, then disguise themselves using a truck. Then take a truck where carry this truck where they carry timber. They enter for inside camion timber. Now say then take a enter for inside village for broad daylight where market they go on for inside Mato for southern zone. They enter for inside market they come for day. According to the people them, some Amazonian forces them where they be I think Gabonese they be there for that area. You know be that for almost 2 days ago. So they're not sure whether they become for them if can catch them or not, but they not begin no forces for them the whole 2 days. Ambazonian force they not be even visit that market. But La République du Cameroon they come for they hide for inside timber. The timber drives to take people they not be know you can't enter for inside market. That way some part discover and say the timber driver be carry walking talkie. You want try for make alarm, they shoot the power for a hand. Now for the way then just wake up start shoot sporadically in the course of that shooting, then kill 7 individuals where they don't find their body. About 4 people then still be missing. They don't know where they carry and go. In our experience, they usually go kill those people them, throw away their body. So now they see we don't blur the pictures them because Facebook their policy them with the fears they not go target we, then be very hostile towards the Ambazonian revolution because Mr. Pobia they be done lobby them, pay over 5 million. We don't know the details, but we see the effect. So that they always target we for subdue our viewership as well for take any reason for block we for Facebook. So then kill now for this month of January on our counting only counting of die body them and from information where they get them from incident the way they then be reported. Over 45 people they then be killed, innocent civilians them when just normal individual civilians them. They then kill 3 Ambazonian fighters where they then die by La République du Cameroon. One was assassinated. He could be arrested, but they choose to assassinate him. They don't take any prisoners. 2 of them, one died in Bui, who died out of a wound. He died in a wound. He was shot. He died after a wound. And then one was shot during an attack. So we have lost 3 soldiers. We have lost 45 innocent civilians who had nothing to do with the fighting. Cardinal Tumi was saying that the struggle is going down. No, the struggle is not. People are not. The dead are not reducing. More and more people they die every day. So La République du Cameroon they be deploy their forces. They parade them for their TV. Say that they can't give people them medicine. They show how be they be that open hospital, the makeshift hospital. Say they don't want cure people them for blindness, for give people them free treatment. But if you don't be now for the camera, you know, be stay one day, then carry themselves, then go back. We see then they pretend say they want give humanitarian assistance, but we see say an attack like this for market for broad daylight after the Bidandos do the same thing for the northern zone for Insa Bali, killing over 14 people them, bringing the total of our civilians who have been killed so far to be to 45. So these people they don't mean anything good. We also see even now why that we talk say me was civilian every time when I see them make gonna run because when I need to consider them say then they are at a war for destroy and kill every Ambazonian. Their mission as some of their parliamentarians they be done talk for their parliamentary floor. When they are picking the enter Ambazonia, they know if come back with another key up to 30 Ambazonian them. So the threat is real. The war against the innocent civilian waged and declared by Mr. Paul Biya is real, and they will continue to massacre our people. It is a genocide. Dr. Stanton Gregory have announced it was a genocide. The alarm is out there. The war is quiet. We are left on our own. We must arm our people to defend themselves. We have seen that those defenses work to slow down La République du Cameroon, the atrocity. You can see burning of individual property, private properties. They are doing collective punishment. They are killing our people, punishing them for one thing, because they have decided to be free. They have demanded their right under international law civilly to withdraw from La République and become independent. Now, because of that way, they kill them. They use killing and genocide as a political weapon to convince and force the people to surrender into their will and to be subjugated for the rest of their life. But that will not happen. So, we want also talk say today, which way it happen. I say Mr. Paul Biya being Vondo. Today, we don't get information from both journalists and from the diplomatic corps. So yesterday, the 25th of December, Mr. Paul Biya, for the 37th graduation of a combined military academy graduation where he go on for Yaoundé, the Cameroon government then dispatch later the memo for all press people, them international press and local press, and for the diplomatic corps, for inform them say the Cameroon government it then begin resolve the issue for Ambazonia and the killing have gone down. The situation is becoming normal. We will expect this propaganda, but the way they do it, show say be highly calculated and we need for counter them. So Cameroon government the one drive the impression to the international community say things that they return back to normal. But behind the curtain, behind the Mongo, behind the River Mongo, they are killing our people. They have killed 43 innocent Ambazonians. Things are not normal. The Ambazonian forces are more armed today than they were when we start this thing for 2016 and will be ready for fight more. The international community need to listen to our Ambazonian liberation movements. They need to listen to our activists. They need to listen to to the organizations that are representing our interests to know the truth. We hope that the facts-finding mission where they don't call them, they will go down there for go see the truth. We want only the truth. We are not there to promote fake news or manufacture data. Those data have been declared by International Crisis Group by the report of Amnesty International detailing the atrocity and genocide campaign of Mr. Paul Biya B. Mvondo. So we will leave that segment now. We will go for the next segment where they talking about what it happened with our prisoners of war. Ambazonian prisoners of war we then discovered and said that it's a plan to eliminate those who are pro-ADF, pro-AGOF-C. We then see both video where it then come out. We then see both audio the way it then come out. One a plot. It been a manipulation being led right from the diaspora to eliminate Ambazonians who are fighting for the liberation of our country. would I see it be first start when this thing it be start? It be first start now with news. Say the ADF they be the work together with La Republic, all those propagandas, then talk again, say the ADF it the work with Nambere, say Nambere become for the na vacancy Benji na one of the Ambazonian civilian the way they be catch them for inside Nigeria, then take them from Kondengi, where he like Ayabacho, he like ADF, then begin talk say na he be bring Nambere for prison. But the turn out say Benji be actually go see Nambere, he see Nambere na see and where she done for some place where he did for one of that place, I don't forget the place where they call him. He instead full Nambere, mean Nambere enter for inside the prison yard for place where they go fee kumkum, they will fee giving kumkum. So if na be instead full Nambere, and I prove then this, we don't contact our sources and we'll get the proof saying a Nambere signature. This time we one can visit the prison at them inside and say one can meet na somewhere Bada. This somewhere Bada na instead Sakoi people them. We dey for inside prison. They all man know you very well. Na some Hausa boy we dey for them. Na even Nambere become meet up. The main people the way they dey for inside prison where they promote this anti-ADF, anti-Ayabacho movement. Unfortunately, na young Ambazonia prisoners of war, we will respect all of them because they dey for that situation. We know say Jotang he be involved. We know say Ekelech he be involved. We know say Martin then be involved for gang up against Ambazonian. We wanted and say they are manipulated. And you see this other video of this guy. This is a young man who is not even an Ambazonian prisoner of war. He's there because of other crimes. He's now been manipulated to make videos from the detention to target the ADF, to discredit the ADF. It is very sad. We will take some moment to play the video, then we will get the audio, then we will get them where they come out for inside Nkondengi maximum prison about what it happened. The first one we are go play and for now the one way they try for kill the ADF, they make a plot for kill the ADF people then. Now the audio this make a play and we gonna hear. Make a on speaker, me gonna hear. So una hear before Nambere be na anti-ADF. Na way they be go use them for destroy ADF for inside Batibo. Na way they be use them for capture big number General Efang. The same plan where they see try for do them today. But they want turn them because them feel say Ambazonia people them they not be smart enough for blame them again for that same ADF. See that Nambere na ADF member. The same Nambere way they be the one use them for key ADF. The same Nambere way be talk say Sako na papa. The same Nambere way be there for Nigeria. The same Nambere way don't compromise the campaign against Ambazonia. They want take them again for put them for ADF because they always blame people for thing way they do them. So now I will play the audio for the who ran get them from Kondengi. It show how they plan for kill Ambazonia and they wanna hear.
Master, the thing for you. Okay, see what you wait there. You know, say for some days now, for like at least 1 week now, we don't get some underground, some intel. See, some people in the inside Gataye, where did he talk with Nambere? Yes. And of course, me, I will always do my best to get the people, as a matter of fact. But I always do my best to get the people who do these things, these criminal things on the ground. And then I just keep my cool. And then what I do is, I tell you without you knowing.
So you go kill.
There are some of these Ayaba gang of criminals.
You hear? The guy they talk about a plot to kill, to assassinate Ambazonian prisoners of war who are patriot, who are supporting the Ague of Sea, who are supporting Ayabacho, who are supporting the ADF. He says that he is going to kill them. And in his mind, these people are people who are Ayabacho gangs, who are ADF gangs.
Keep my cool. And then what I do is, I tell you without you knowing. There are some of these Ayaba gang of criminals in here.
So they call Ayaba, people they support Ayaba for prison as Ayaba gangs, where you go kill them without them knowing. This is a very disturbing alarm orangetam. The prisoners that they be worried for express themselves amongst their friends because they fear will they get information from them. So they captain them for inside the blue army where they for inside Kondengi. It be led by young people them like this. Unfortunately, we respect all man way they for inside that situation for Kondengi on our behalf, but we must call a spade a spade. No person no supposed to run the scrutiny of your countryman, your Ngambe man, Kapo Daniel, your sense pass king, your Lukong, will stand as vanguard. Anybody, including and not restricted to anybody. Anybody no be exempted. We need to be in a country where they fear some man. So we call the name of the people that they lead this blue army them for Sako people the instant Konegi. Even the fact say Iran chop money, now the war way for liberate una own and they for inside prison. You for day, Joe Tang, you the see come out, you the support the kind nonsense. Sako the give una na weti. If you give una freedom, una be see even Mancho BBC, where they become convincing, say me send anti-revolutionary audio them for convince our pikin them then go against our revolution for attend La République du Cameroon sponsor school. Who say they? Who say they today? Now he become make audio they retell in Damba. He will play in Damba and say they play in Damba. Who say other BB talk the right end we? Now La République they play in Damba when they say no will work. So Joe Tang, Ekelech, Martin, una stop that thing for day. Una stop them. The boy the way they will save una na General Efang. If then kill them, una the instead reduce una chance for come up for place una day for day. So make una look out. Una look out. Now the plan that we hear them. Say they plan for key ADF supporter them inside prison. The ran first come up for lie say number they can see them. Now prove this. Say nobody can see them. After that one no work, then talk me a prisoner. A normal prisoner where you no even get anything to do with the struggle. Me make video. For talk say he go key ADF people them. Now either make a video. After I run prove and say no, number no be can see Benji. Una go now go begin make the audio then begin threatening for keep people alive. So make if anything happen with any ADF supporter of inside prison, we know say now una the captain that things them, we know say now una be the blue army and we observe them. So we go leave that one. We will go for the next important thing when are the killing, when are the thing where it happen for inside Bui. The people there that don't catch was soldier them, where they be supposed to be busy for prepare for the lockdown, be busy for prepare the mission for the hold for the takeover. They don't catch them, hold them for the seize granite the way we be supposed to use yesterday. An operation go on for inside Ndonga Mantung where they be get for use granite. They not be get enough granite. One of those soldiers there they be died and die for the now the effect them that for the arrest of General Ifang by these people them. It be terrible. When I need to release them, Elvis for Germany. Release those people. Yesterday I no go online live because say the church became complain say na I dey over talk, I dey over make a fear, I dey over talk strong talk. Bella Franklin, he also talk say Bella Franklin, he talk strong talk. Now either way, we know to release the people the way we want release them because we don't hear rumors say some of those people that will be alive. We nobody verify them, but na rumors and that we don't hear. So he talk say make me and Bella Franklin move, she don't quiet. So yesterday I cancel my show, I no go my show. They don't talk for them. So we hear say they don't convince me go visit me go for the die place for where they bury Tata Emmanuel. Tata Emmanuel na General Fon. Now hero. Na General Fon where was sniper where they be killing for day. So time where they say General Chacha, he go for the die place of Fon for go apologize. Now the way they Sako people, the way they be send them, they be manipulate them, the Elvis the way they be manipulate them, then go kill them. They start make plan for kill General Chacha. The same people, they start make plan for kill General Chacha. One of the lady then dropped the audio for inside the IG, the illegitimate IG, their forum. That the audio this will go play and make una hear the plot where they be try to go kill Chacha. Because of protecting the woman in ID, me continue to give us the information. We don't change the voice so that use technology will change the voice. We don't release the video, the audio also for inside WhatsApp group. They make una sabi muna here. Una listen for it.
I go repeat them for inside this IG forum. Luistas, Elvis, Sako, Chris Anu. If something happen for Chacha, we will hold when are responsible. Make them clear. We will hold when are responsible. Now we are deceive Chacha. The same way we will be deceive Amigo. Chris Bonga they deceive Amigo. Make it go attack Aroke. Amigo don't die. Go. We are there for America here. The chop on alive. The enjoy on a woman then. The same way we will be instigate beer and Tiger they go attack ADF. Tiger they don't die go. Tiger when they die, no of no be for them for protect them. Today we don't do the same thing for put Chacha in danger. So that forever Chacha will live, the look over his shoulder. Small grass will shake, he will be afraid. He will, any side, anything major, jita, he will fear say some person don't come attack him. You know? I beg, will not give ADF their gun. Take the money.
Now IG person they talk so.
Go buy with own gun.
Now IG person they talk.
Una give back ADF, release their boys, make them go fight. That time for election, this any man need for me for free for the fight for stop election. Una release them, make peace be.
So even inside the IG, people that either making open. They recall on Elvis, they recall on Chris Anu and Sako. Make una stop that madness. Una release the ADF fighter them. Una release Batista and Agabe, General Agabe, where they for una keeping. They be supposed to be for the field now. They prepare their boys them. They need their command for win the war. And General Chacha he also begin the vex. He vex say why it is so me and Bella will be the talk, will be the intervene. And we'll be supposed to intervene. The right explainer for you will be supposed to intervene. Because we will get the audio where this their scammer, this their satanic Bui county head is sent up for ground zero. He claimed for that, according to he, for that audio say General Efang, he don't be wounded by bullet wound, and he don't run some person the way they keep it for inside Bui. Say me all man says she has me then catch and kill him because say that man na man way they don't say me can kill Chacha. Now they lie that way they be sent up for outside, they send up for their country talk, and immediately will be receive them, will be send a counter message. Bella Franklin is sending on audio for Banso talk also. He talk the truth for them. Now anyway, Chacha be the vex because the truth it debunk and it give it tell its truth. The same way they not get that moral authority to commit that crime. So now anyway vex. I go play the audio for any man way they for Banso. We be that here. Me gonna hear the audio very well. And now this audio that help us save a lot of things for Instagram Zero. Now anyway the Chacha the instant vex. Because if it don't lie, is soldier and say this so they become a kind killy. Now when the truth they come out, it vex say why would they talk the truth? Now just the truth, Chacha not say the worship program. Now just the truth. So now here
Bella Franklin says one sign so azam. Wani angonderi nganzi mwero unangiri. Wem tan so azam. Unangwerong drum. Adu isi drum. Ntasha ati widram one sign so suji kava drakisang inside so asidu wala na yame ba akava wasan drakisang kava yo drakisang bi ikisang am ta suji de moben wo mo dransang isuji akava nso ladra anginyam drosho awane ku inside so ko yo dramoven nta even kimo Bella Franklin. I'm driven. I'm tasu even when Kim that do sit them. I don't run about a waving, we shed vengeance of. I'm taka, ikum tawum, or pune, shufai or dui. Tafonjo, I'm cum with Finven Siver, young Gitayumo. I all up with a Sierra and get Wokusuye. I the bark, can send the Tavinki. Amaya fulen ki wadzam the one time so ayi timekili migino nje AGF afakala yikyo dza a kongila republic jimkema dada ondawo msuyi ba kera tigibam kifaga taji ne kwado ondawo kidobi ka woda de fegan se veri kenginukin ganse veri la republic isengar nginyam so forsa waji be kemo singar woda de fe joven rimvan she won sisi she agenche woda be joni woda fe Nsain so me yo sung ne wiren guy so we drafen ada win guy we sang Satan rim chobani the fails once he see nta kum de film ben sang so me jomuna bam sang so system.
So all the Ambazonian patriots for Bui, they don't hear that message and they respond very well and now be demoralize the issue them way they be the plan for do and for go around for harass people and for kill the soldier the way they hold them inside them. And all who believe say all Banso people then they run here get the message, they know the truth, they know say the ADF now the soldier the way they fight, they run the fight for them for a long time, they be the fight now only La Republic, they be the vast majority of soldiers there for inside Bui. Make Chacha release those soldiers where they order they're keeping and make it release their weapon immediately. They need those weapons. They make it no hear anything where Sako they talk for you or the manipulation of Elvis. These people are under the influence of La Republique du Cameroon. We don't see Exhibit A. The video where they be taken, the picture where they be taken for when they kill them, where they be licensed a kind of key for when na gun exchange. That picture the way be show evidence say be na gun exchange. Then send them for Sako, then send them for Elvis. It go directly for La Republique du Cameroon, their propaganda arm, my country people them where he publish them, or we see them. So na Exhibit A, I dey tell Chacha, give those weapons, turn against those your people. If anything you need support, we will continue to support you. Justice also need to be done for fun. So because of that, I will still talk, even though you be vexed, I be talk, say me they sanction you, I will still talk am again. Justice must be done for fun. So for the meantime, General Chacha, you are banned from leaving Kikaikom. You need to stay only for inside Kikaikom until the war finish. We need all me the fight, no be time for justice now. We need you for be alive for fight against La République du Cameroon for show you so we be a patriot them. Remain only for that place for Kikaikom begin fight for day. Me other people they fight. When justice go be done, they will come, they will judge which way it happen under your command. So now the decision that way it be unanimous. The Amazonian overall commander, a deputy for inside Bui, if he contact me, say make I send out message, me then surround Bui, he don't send out messages for all the camps away there around Bui. Me they not left no motor me enter or come out because the security situation they be very precarious. They need to protect the interests of those key general the way they for protect them against La République du Cameroon intervention. We'll be here at one point, say the video even leak the location so that they go run leave them for them La République can finish the job. So now the reason that way they need to lock down the whole entrance, for instance, so no motor need to come out, no man need to come out. If you want to come out, they go turn on the back. So me know we not come out until this situation be resolved. The only thing I say me the general population for so me the driver them, me all man. When I go talk for Chacha, then say me they release those people, give back their guns. Me then continue their work for liberate Ambazonia. We don't see her some cabinet member that don't begin defect. We don't see her Brandalin Sop. He too don't come out. He talk say you know day for day again. You know day for that Bui Council. Would the appeal for the Bui Council member them, just like we appeal for the country head them. When I abandon that structure. In my subsequent segment, when I go hear more about my presentation, when I go talk about which way Fontem Nibaran talk. I will also talk about which way Dr. Carlson Anyange when I'm my boss for inside the IG. Now he be the head of the foreign affair. I will also talk about that one. So right now, my country people, maybe we'll go straight for the trial presentation will be happen for Eric Tato, a platform for the National Telegraph. It become we don't see the great this has on batting. It bring plenty good things there because of this situation for Bui. The activists and they come together. That Mark Barata a group where we go create them scarf. It's still there, but most of the activists that run this have come together for a new platform they call Activists Unite. The platform is there, it be healthy, all man they talk fine, no argument, nobody come up for day because the main motivation for bring people them for day not just for bring we can get consensus with the talk amongst ourselves. Now very great move that I want to congratulate all our activists the way they participate for day they make and me be good. We need to continue in that spirit for bring everybody together. So my brother, when the spokesperson of the ADF be contact me, also talk about the coming together of Mark Barata and Eric Tato Semo who can do together show with them. But I be give my objection, I be inform me say my reason then way I be very hostile for Eric Tato. I need to make sure say those things then be addressed before we come together. But for come together, it be very important. I support that 100%. But I need those things to be addressed, and I be very happy say he try to address some of them. We'll be done see say people then they way they change. Even people then they way they don't try for drag them for La République like Fontem but we don't see how they change today. We will take a specific segment to talk about which way talk and will be very important for our revolution. So we would welcome the new position where Eric Tato they take them. He don't catch up with which will be done the talk a long time and a very positive thing for our revolution. All those populist activists will need them more than ever before to keep the momentum. And I will try to give a little bit discussion where I get with my advisors and people that support my platform, the intellects and the specialists. I will give their report for now because we know within the public court now will be in a civil liberty in our posture that. So the first thing I want to talk and I say people then for ground zero they be the talk say the show be over long. When we get in fighting way then be a thing way who are ground zero they then they always talk say me all activists and come together. A show like that if we need to be very very short. Or we be guilty because all of our show they be long, but then they need to make a maybe short for make sure say people then go hear a precise pronunciation about critical things them where they go on for our revolution. Then we go get direct impact for their behavior and for motivate the forces towards the lockdown and the February. So now just some of the comment in that way that make them all we they learn it they go to for all man begin learn how they day. They be expecting me the issue, me be precise, me then talk specifically about the blocking road, the instruction about block road. We need I go reinforce it and again For talk say we need na a joint, not be only military operation that go dey for February. It go also require our civilian them. Our man may do something for block road. Even if you been a small pikin, carry small stone go put them for road. Me block road. If all man go put his hand, many brooms they go do easy work. Now say they take am for do work. So we call on all Ambazonian civilians for participate for the lockdown for throw stone for road for block road. The second thing where they be need for reinforce and where they talk am also lengthily, but we need for reinforce them again. I say all forces for Ambazonia, all pro-independent forces, whether you are a restoration force, whether you are which kind of force, whether you restore Naweti, whether na West Cameroon or na independence, but all the pro-independent forces them for ground zero, they need to take action. Even if you get na one grenade that day for that voting, come out through am. No matter what it happen, every commander, every soldier must take an action that particular day. So they also they need to reinforce the reasons for the lockdown. The lockdown for make and semi-military operation then go on, and then it will also be with a ghost town, me all man should don't for house because it will be danger for come outside. Like Republic of Cameroon, they go the stage events for vote, and that their propaganda CRTV go to go for ground. They go to use helicopter. If they see any civilian, they go use your picture for manipulate the result and justify the result. It also be important for we to demonstrate, say the turnout will be very low. So election, one of the things also they're supposed to reinforce some will the reinforcer now. Now say this election, it will give Pobia another excuse for 5 years because it will talk for the international community, say these people that are elect representative them, parliamentarian, they meet the parliamentarian and get voice, meet and talk. These people they represent those people for ground zero. For we for boycott them, it will show say they not use those ones them again. It will show say they even the so-called election result, they go get the result nevertheless, but it will be be credible. It go fail the democratic test for participation. The participation will be too low way. They not claim say that they actually represents we. So nothing that way they. So they also observe say the activism Mark Barata, Eric Tato, and Tapang Ivo when we gather like that. Now a very important thing. We overtake our presentation sometime very lightly. Now a very important thing. We see say Mark Barata still be do the presentation way there for toilet. It be the shit. He says the talk and for essay there for toilet. It the shit. You know if you the talk thing for 8 million people, then will be very important. You the shit. Ambazonia wata na wata. But in any case, it is show say it be so determined way. Even shit says up, it not go stop him make talk for Ambazonia people. But we need for show some level of seriousness so that the people then go to get the how serious, how the gravitas of the matter. We need to show some seriousness when important things like that they come, when activism come together, they need to be more for even portray, even a semblance, it affect people the way they look at. You know? So, but we appreciate them. It's been a very, very good show. I will give my own score for the show. I will give 60 over 100. And when I know say anything will be above 50 now already a pass, it means it will be a good presentation for unity. We hope to see more and more like that. And we hope say the Eric Tato go meet up with my demands before I go fit join my head with them. I believe say we will not be there to talk now because say we want make na propaganda. The issue then what I put and say he must address them. Either already address one for talk about the people the way they don't collect money for La Republic. We will play the audio, the video we talk them. We'll be satisfied with that. One very critical thing we don't talk and we need for do them. Now the issue we either propagate them for 1 year, almost 2 years, non-stop. Say Ayabacho and the ADF they do work for La Republic du Cameroon. It must now demand for me forever shake his hand or for work we in any shape or form. Eric Tato need for come talk for Ambazonia and say the talk will be the talk say Ayabacho and ADF they work for La Republic. Now just complete propaganda, it be baseless, and he need for acknowledge them. If it be the talk and for political reason, he need for acknowledge them, address them. Now it's strength for confess when you don't discover your mistake. You need for can't talk them. We need because it be very important for me. As well as those people them for concerning Gary, I be disappointed. You know, I believe in public things, so I will talk them. I be disappointed. Say Tapang I will use the word Gary again. The word Gary already it can be a very bad image for our population. Now it be resort to the cutting of our hands of our people. Them those words need to be banned. If we use, there are always alternative. Eric Tato need to come back withdraw, but I be very happy. Say he also give an example. Say even when Gabonese be arrest some Eleka member, then he be tell them say me then leave the man me go. We need to show our people and say we need to do target them. We not be we not fit do exactly the same atrocity wey La Republic dey do am for our own people dem believe say we dey fight for them. No. So that one we welcome that improvement for Eric Tato, but they need to walk back the whole Gary process, the legitimization and the mandate wey began for people them. Me them do am, they need to withdraw them all. The last demand why I be making for the Eric Tato, I think that one I don't get the paper from my hand. I go still talk about. I get 3 demand why I want me do am. Then we will be willing to work with you personally, to stand hand in hand with you. This one not get anything personal, not just collective thing. Even me, if I do those type of thing, when I hold me for the same standard, we must make sure say this revolution is not about the activists. It is about you, the Ambazonian people. We know say Ambazonian activists them they need. Would I say some people them I know go further for that one, but I'll just leave them for day because now unity, one unity, one unity. No man, no one be very excited to begin fight each other with one unity. So those things can be very important. And one of the thing we want play now the thing where Eric Tato he expose them will be very important. Now thing why we done talk over 2 years ago, then denied and talks in a conspiracy, all those type of things, but they don't talk I go play the video, make una hear. The first one, when I already see the picture for our 3 activists the way they become together, it will be very, very nice. Tapang Avo, Eric Tato, and Mark Barata. Good job. I give them thumbs up. It is a 60 over 100. It was a pass, and I appreciate that for them. And then one of the issue too they be doing for the one I will say if those B2 it make them they no need for spend the time for begin talk about 36 teeth. All man already know say J Car na just person way they be just prop it up na Eric Tato be ready make them people that even they listen for you na just a hand clapper. Yeah, and Susie Spark different. They know they no be supposed to waste time for begin talk about. No be saying a coach. All man no say he get what it them na man way. That's some specific way they don't make noise. Usually one don't be say be activist, but you know they really articulate anything. You know they push forward anything. You want to just can begin to support one side, I support this side or another side. So it be that segment where they became blassy, be make sense. They not for spend time with that petit frere. That man, all man knows that 36 teeth guy. No need for become blast the petit frere too much. More levy so me became making noise. Any zamzam, some zamzam they way then they not getting for do they wash all man. Now they encourage you can petit frere them. But that way it become for this revolution, it be play a very good rule initially. We can stand for defend Ambazonia against the divide and rule this Northwest Arrest thing. It become debunk them. We appreciate that. We go always salute the bravery. J. Carl, I salute you for that. But you mess up. You mess up, oh boy. Left that thing, master. Left all that Sako thing there. You no go help you for any way. So we want to talk also about the thing the way they can debunk them. We want to play the video. We appreciate how Eric Tato and take those stands them. We go play some of those videos they make gonna see them. The very important things and when I think we don't talk for over 3 years, no over 2 years. So be very happy say Eric Tato he don't can stand in the talk him. We go establish him, we go seal him, and then we go move forward. So make gonna hear.
They'll keep picking them. Chris Ann want to make revolution collapse. They cash your sister with how much money? Over 40 million. For a period of 1 month or 2 months, don't put money in a stay account 40 million. Because yeah, we should not quite because we want to protect the small guy for jail. But you don't cross your line. When I deal, see, I want to say, any mind is go support Chris Ann. Now the dullest Ambazonian, yeah, is straight.
So this one is a very important revelation where Eric Tato he don't confirm him. Nothing will be done talking over 2 years ago. Say people they don't chop money for La Republic du Cameroon. They don't give deposit for their family for Ground Zero. They no be fit deliver. They come back for can take the money then cash them. Eric Tato he don't come for can confirm. Will be very important. Now activism this will want time. Person where in the support La Republic fit get that power for constant talk so. Person where in the expect they fit bribe it, they fit give it some color or some soya. He go fit get that bonus for expose it in the man where no one corruption. It go be bold for expose this thing where that happen. We'll be down here from lawyer the way they don't visit Chris and with people the way they be detain them. So now the same way they be talk the cash money for bank account, the cash money cash. That money no be being a money for ransom. We don't hear even Don Pasho way be there for inside them their kabai to them can't talk the same thing. So maybe we hear again how Eric Tato it expose them. This one a very good sign and we welcome this revolution for Eric Tato. Now here nothing we don't talk for 2 years. They be deny, they be try to cover up because they be just feel say by just cover up things somehow we will do begin go before. We need to focus on principle, not be by people. Now here.
They'll keep picking them. Chris Ann want to make revolution collapse. They cash your sister with how much money? Over 4
Yeah, they catch the sister how much money? Talk and again we hear.
How much money? Over 40 million. For a period of 1 month or 2 months, don't put money in a account 40 million. Because
So the money, the cash money for Chris Anu. Now why don't I need to understand say Chris Anu do work for La Republique? Now why that way the lobby firm them, where they support Mr. Pobia, they push BBC, irrespective of the fact that they don't fire Chris Anu as the communication head for the IG. Now Milton Takan be the communication head, they go see the push it, the prop it up. Now person that way now Issa Churuma become bring it for this struggle for prop it up, you know, he give it fake interview for deceive Siseko Ayoktabi for put for place where they. From where to the year, not even a professional journalist. Now man way down cram have to talk the English language. So now here again once more from a very close associate, man way down work with them together for a long time. Eric Tato me talk am.
unfortunately, because yeah, we should not quite because we want to protect the small guy for jail. But you don't cross your line. Una deal here, man. I want to say any mind is go support Chris Ano. Now the dullest Amazonian, you are a slave for life. See how they'll keep picking them. Chris Ano want to make revolution collapse. You cash your sister with how much money? Over 40 million. For a period of 1 month or 2 months, don't put money in a stay account 40 million. Because yeah, we should not quite because we want to protect the small guy for jail. But you don't cross your line. Una deal here, man. I want to say any mind is go support Chris Ano. Now the dullest Amazonian, you are a slave for life.
He go further for explain am how Chris Ano it is supply intelligence report material for La République du Cameroon. We will then hear this one for the pastor them and men of God where they be go that way Patricia Scotland become in particular. I talk that one because that one be ready be reinforced. That Patricia Scotland be visit La République du Cameroon. They be present with ye what them from Chris Ano. So Chris Ano they make sure say they give them things and way that they use them against we for diplomacy. Now why that they can't talk so when attack UN office, they go take those clips, then go play them for sure the international community so will not be mature for getting independence. For sure them so will be a terrorist, will not be reasonable, will be an extremist, and the thing in that way they do them. Even when they give for BBC, when they talk, some person go feel say they talk they support Ambazonia. But if you listen to it carefully, it talk they always be vague, you know, get any reference, legal reference point for whole Republic very strong for establish our right as Ambazonia. Nothing in that way, if it go on. And I think in that way we need for hear them very, very well. So another issue where it come up again where they be expose them for that interview where I want for reinforce them gonna Sabine I think we done they talk them for 2 years, they deny, but they don't come but they talk them again now me gonna hear very well. It been the issue about Field Marshal. So I go try to bring the one up for Field Marshal and I go talk because the one too it be relevant for this moment now because we be see her Chacha it be talk say ADF soldier them they be been at La Republique, then catch them with La Republique. It be actually the first audio the way they be do them. They be talking and say they be see ADF soldier that they come together with La Republique du Cameroon. After then catch them, they see say way for hold that lie or for prove that lie. You know they now talk say they be wear La Republique du Cameroon their uniform them. After they talk say they carry La Republique du Cameroon their back them. Then go take T-shirt cover the back them for prove and say na La Republique du Cameroon their back them. Then take their own uniform from information we'll get them for them. So I don't go take the proof for substantiate those allegations when I so the Chacha is picking the return for me to talk. So Chacha they take their own uniform. Now the uniform then is La Republique where he the Chacha the well. If for well La Republique du Cameroon uniform, they show say they work for La Republique. Now Chacha this. Now Chacha this wear the uniform. I don't know the thing that be stuck. Now it is where the La Republique du Cameroon uniform. Now the same uniform where then take them to put them for ground for show and say na ADF they be wear that uniform. Unarasiam. So even this Mark Barata for talk about this issue them, he go establish where to hold and they talk for over 2 years. And also some people that will talk about why are they be very harsh concerning the issue for Field Marshal. For Field Marshal. So why be very hard for about the issue of Field Marshal? When I see Field Marshal with uniform, will La Republique du Cameroon their uniform as well. So why I be very hard with Field Marshal? You know say propaganda fine for war. But you need to look about the influence. Now only the truth go win we. Go make our go win. Now remember now the same Field Marshal where they be using for threatening General Ivor. How it go be susceptible for that way where they go use it to that level? The truth must be known, and the truth must not only the truth shall set us free, even if it be inconvenient. So maybe we hear even Mark Barata analysis. He go talk about what we run the talk for over a year. Una here.
You know, the people they be so foolish. They talk about say they see French Cameroon uniforms there. For the fighters that were caught, that they ambushed, and they claim say those French Cameroon uniforms they be so fresh, the big people from French Cameroon. And this is my other foolish brother from Norway who says Steve Lebon. Now,
So then see fresh uniform. Do one the fresh uniform that which uniform be fresh? So now here we talk about even Field Marshal will be very important. We're gonna hear.
say the one from Field Marshal way the decision. That one they get holes in for the. I don't know like I need to see holes in for the. Say that one they get holes in for the. It shows say Field Marshal is defined. With due respect to Field Marshal and his group. Okay, if you would not very well say uniforms were taken from, I said, when you take a uniform, then maybe means you don't kill that soldier. How do you take the uniform then? So when you take that uniform, then you will make video. We have forced them, they appear in fake uniform. It means say you feel take that, you feel take picture for video for dead soldier. How many dead soldiers we don't see that pictures them coming from the BLM?
Now good question that way Mark Barata asked him. How many dead soldier would answer where their picture come from Le BLM? How many? Una answer me. How many dead soldier? Now sample this La Republic of Cameroon. They picture them. Every time when they kill La Republic of Cameroon, their soldier. Now sample this. We get the picture them now for who side? From their chat group them where Bamileke friend them, our Anglophone friend the way they work for inside, they send for we. Now example this, then kill this one for Kumba. Every time where one soldier for La Republic of Cameroon is for, we get pictures like this. This example. For sure, instead of kill them, but I want to ask you now, how Mark Barata ask him, how many of these pictures they don't come out say it come out for Le BLM? How many? Since the day where they can move the ADF for inside Le BLM, how many of these similar pictures they don't come out? Una answer that question. How many? So now the question that way una need for know those are things that will not be blind for convenience sake.
How many? We talk about propaganda or so. Feel like they rule.
So even if the rule for Field Marshal is talk for propaganda, you know do propaganda. You need to look and say the man in propaganda. Wait to be the track record. Now man we either kill ADF soldier them 9 of them. For instance, I mean tigers, the tigers of Ambazonia that we been an ADF soldier and convert. He don't kill 9 of them through for inside water. The video then day. Now man we them beat one of the ADF fighter when some teenage guy will come up for inside Awala for can cut the medicine. Either will come the way down paralyzed. Now so he this Field Marshal be do am. So now which kind propaganda if action if you want Joshi based on the action them. Now wait till we do am for help we. If not only that propaganda. Information where it come from me only for the Field Marshal group. Only from the one call the name because those soldiers they see they for down there they'll go find the one and kill them. The 20 gun them where they be the show and for they be parade them. Before the one kill General Mba Ivor. Out of a sudden, you Field Marshal be told me then take all gun them, put all bullet them for under bed. One night it all because disappear. The next story say it be talking and say the rank kill it. It disappear. With all those weapons that it disappear, La Republic of Cameroon, they raid their camp. Finish people them for day. Burn and down. They be feasted as Ivor and so that war end. That way the system will never surrender. It reappear again. So all those things them. Me some man give me explanation for all those things them. When I go ask you the Field Marshal who saw all those AK-47. Now they no fit get back again for you because they no trust it. So they don't go begin make bamboo gun them begin spray them. Can begin show them for we. Any man where talk say man no begin expose Field Marshal over. Say maybe na do propaganda. Give me a reason why I shouldn't do that. Why should I ignore the truth? Many times you feel ignore the truth for convenience sake. At the end of the day, it go come back and bite you. So if you Mark Barata, you be the cover up, you be don't quiet na propaganda, it go come back and bite you. The last time we then go like say Field Marshal key 2,000 soldier them. You Mark Barata, you come out talk say this so the Field Marshal Cameroon government now go bring some chemical. They spray that chemical, all man in body go burn. So if they be the key the La Republic Cameroon they beat them before they take their uniform. As you yourself you talk, they will show me the body because if you get time to move my clothes, you also get time to take picture. So we go leave them, we say peace na peace, wata na weti, wata na ndiba.
In the revolution, and I don't want to go into infect your uniform. If you say you feel not take that, you feel take picture for video for dead soldier. How many dead soldiers we don't see that pictures of coming from the BLM? How many? And we talk about propaganda or so. Feel like they role will be accepted in the revolution.
So my fellow country people, now the thing in that way Aram presenter for now regarding the presentation, but overall we'll be very happy say that they review all these things them. Now things the way I've been done the talk for over 2 years. Say Chris Anu don't take money for La Republique. He work for La Republique. Sako be take money for La Republique right from the time where they be create the Bilingualism Commission. They be give them Bilingualism Commission be an undercover group where Paul be create and meet and destroy our struggle. He give for Anglophone the way they know we very well, they know our mentality very well. Then come out the first person where they call him na Sako, then contact so a friend for Italy. A friend for Italy then give you that information. They arrange everything, then give money change hand. Some of that money they be even put them for inside my trip to Boya. And he says the Sako no fit take that money because they don't go block am for place way until he deliver we for inside federalism or for decentralization. He no fit touch the money. He says no fit touch the money. Today they still use some of their bus agent for pay ABC News for keep them on air, make them continue for Pekin do their job. Because they work direct with La République du Cameroon, French government, and Maurice Kamto for bring we down. That's in that way they go on. We don't establish them, Eric Tatoran Tokam, Mark Barataran, substantiate some of those things them. No be just a theory. It don't take una 2 years. How many people that don't die? Una be fisa una do cover up go. Somehow una go come, we will come up with it. No. Any you know if you raise snake like a pet, it go turn one day by you or you go buy your pikin. You know if you begin feed your dog with human meat, one day you go turn chop your own pikin. Now it is now the snake this way don't grow away, the camp can begin bite with now so. So now the thing in that way they. So we don't establish all these things them. We don't talk say we must stand for the truth and nothing but the truth. Plenty people and the way they don't come and say, where Capo Daniel, the thing we be talk will be argue before, we don't begin see and not saying the truth. Where how many people they don't die? We now remember the time where they be catch key General Ivor. The plan where they be done plan another time, we know for them the place all day. Now again, the same time, General Efang, they don't arrange everything. I don't need for become exposed them because some of those things they see be inactive. Everything. We now can't catch it. We now know the impact where you get them for the struggle. But the commander who thanks the first deputy where he don't take command, General Popo, will do you, will Fiaba will continue to support you. So because we get plenty things them, I will leave that one. I will go straight for our presentation for the next segment. When I wait away our hero, the revolutionary leader, Dr. Cho Ayaba, he respond for Samuel Sako. We go play the audio, make una hear, and we don't hear. I not forget the stomach for listen for the Sako for see face how they talk. So my advisors and people where they help me for this platform, they don't listen and they give me the transcript. The main thing where he talk for them, I say Sako the blame AGOVC and ADF. Say now they don't prevent. He use the word prevents negotiation through the HD, and he use them like a justification why ADF and AGOVC need to be treated as both internal and external enemy for neutralization. So he can talk the true way, the way he hide and for talk him. Say then get an agenda for kill ADF fighters and for kill those who are in the diaspora as well, including Seseko. But wait to where you know talk for una. It tell where you know say they talk for criminology, where you study criminology, as we be studying for law. Then talk say there is nothing like a perfect crime. That means you know if you commit a perfect crime, there must always be some error the way you make them. Now either way when you look error that you go the same, you go to know say that thing will be a crime. So they don't always make mistake where they can't live back where it happen. Now the same people that be talking, they don't be need the ADF for camp for day. They don't be need a AGOVC. Bo Hebe to be can't talk say they don't need A, they be at the highest one, ACL whatsoever. If the ADF by non-participating in that dialogue, it prevents the dialogue for go on with the HD. It is shown as say the ADF be more significant than all of them where they be there for day. So now the significant groups them, the major groups that need for day to take the decision about dialogue. No be impostors them. And by the way, not be only the ADF be denied for go there. Seseko IG, the legitimate IG, he denied to for go for day. Then denied for go for day as well. And but that will not be the main reason. But I want to give for una know because the one that know Connie talk show. Would expose all the Connie the way people didn't get them. So Seseko, you know, become for day. Even John Bakoro, the consortium, where they be there for day, where they be join the meeting go there. After them go for their talks them. Then discover and say these people they be prepared and go spoil the revolution because their material where they be give them, they be show them an easy way for surrender where they go surrender and then save face. So now why that John Bakoro come up for day? Even Milan with the scoop where be remain for day. That way they want go create that thing say art. That are team Ambazonia or whatever. Even the Milan, young people then see and say something be wrong. Me then come off for day, then withdraw for day. So not be only ADF and AGOF see be withdraw. Many other people they be withdraw. Even when they be withdraw for day, they be continue for negotiate with the Swiss foreign affair. If you see, they be see the talk with the Swiss foreign affair because now the Switzerland government be talking the one help. So why did one give for another small organization? Why they not be come up? And they not be just deny to participate. They be give the reasons why they not be participate. Number one and most important reason I say you could not attain independence through that platform because they are already classifying us there as political parties. So their agenda was so obvious. It will be a betrayal for the revolution if our leaders are engaging in a dialogue or a negotiation process that cannot produce the result that they are fighting for. It will be an indirect surrender. Now why that way then come out for day? But the negotiation, that way that will be telling us say if it don't collapse. They began to tell us say the negotiation is still going with the HD. But now they can't tell us say it don't collapse because of AODs. So now they see they are corny them. But thank God say the Switzerland government it don't appoint a top diplomat may continue the work. Directly, the same diplomat will be already engaged with the AGOF-C and the legitimate IG. Now the two major group then that way then they now they're supposed to begin take those type of crucial decisions. And one of the things where Eric Tato talking for that show, say we the activists will not take over the struggle. I be against those ideology. We activists will get a crucial role to play. Yes, now we the control the narrative. Yes, now we the direct the narrative. Now we the lead the narrative. But it not mean say now we the take decision. When you do one fight for a country now an institutional body, a state institutional body. Decisions made there cannot be made by a single activist. Now, why do we need institutions? We need the frontline movements. Then get multitude people where they advise them, where they come together, get decision as a consensus. They get lobby firms. They are more competent than individual activists. We activists have to stop trying to take control of the revolution. Eric Tato have to stop it. Mark Barrett have to stop it. You cannot be coming up, moving up institution. Take those initiatives and give them to the frontline movement. Give it to them. Let them have those ideas. Submit your ideas to them. Don't start creating things on your own. You may be so popular and so famous that you think that you have powers and you are doing those things thinking that you are trying to help. But you are, at the end of the day, you are ineffective. You are causing unnecessary argument. You are weakening the frontline movements and the frontline leaders that we're supposed to assist to champion the people's cause. So I will leave that one. I will go now directly for Ayabacho. He report he addressing, and then I'll play him, will analyze, and then I will go for the segment when I be the primary presentation for today for analyze the speech for Fontemniba. I'll tell now why.
My fellow Ambazonians, this is Dr. Cho Ayaba. I have read the transcript of the outing of. Let me remind him of the following facts before I respond.
In a very settled manner, Dr. Cho Ayaba addresses him.
Under his leadership, they have a legitimate platform. It's amazing that people with such arrogance could have such short-sightedness in the first place. When you make such claims, you must be strong enough, bold enough, man enough, tough cookies.
So,
even those who attack me, I don't respond because 2 years down the line, this is collapsing. It's not even because of you.
So Ayabacho is so honest. Without Connie, he talked the exact reason why that talk is stopped. Because he be directly involved with the negotiation. Now, but two reasons the way he stopped, according to Ayabacho talk. The first reason I say Cameroon government never ever commit. Cameroon government never ever commit for the Swiss process. They be the commit now for the Switzerland, their discussion where they get out with the HD, they can't talk small lie, but officially they have never committed. That is the reason. The second reason is that the engagement of the international community was not sufficient because they had not taken the steps that that will meet up with standard procedure under international negotiation. So it was not anything serious. And the only reason it is the HD is failing is because there are alternatives now. So
you did your utmost best, Mr. John Frundi, to weaken Mr. Bilingualism Commission. He tries to bribe fighters.
Another thing that Ayabacho said was that Sako, the leader of Sako, is Seseko Ayoktabi. That is something we have to know and we have to hold it very strong. The leader of that faction is not Sako, it is Seseko. It is being mounted now by Yerima. So the boss of Sako is supposed to be Seseko, not the other way around. All those fake impeachment, giving self power, it is useless. It has no legal boundary. Anybody who talks to the international community knows that Seseko is the head of that institution, not Sako. No matter whether they carry him to Brazil, the HD can even carry him to America, it will not change the fact that he is not the legitimate representative of that institution. He can go and create his own. Of course, he knows that he cannot because he will not be able to attract the type of support that he has. So the audio seems very weak, so I may skip it.
Protect their own power.
I wanted to play it through.
About all the attacks, and I asked how he was doing. But the first thing I told him, stop your attack on the prisoners.
So Chris Anotu call Ayabacho, like has Ebenezer Akwanga go to for go see all the dance that became come back. The time where they be one go gather for go to Switzerland, they no be go see. Now when they don't go knock the head for stone, then they go tell and say, "Una no first get no man background." Those people then get their intelligence report them. They know exactly what is happening. They know who is who. They know say the person where they lead the war against La Republique na Ayabacho Lucas. That one a fact. The leading force for Ground Zero na ADF. There is no general in Ground Zero who have been going around like General Efang. None. None. There is no amount of generals who have the amount of. Una see how the March of October. Una see how many battalion of contender force they. Those weapons they wanna see now just one group that Iruwaka. What about the other ones and where they live for day? There is none. That is the leading force. General Mba Ivo said that the ADF will lead us to Boya. We have to collaborate with them. All the forces have to collaborate with them to come together. La Republique have made it so impossible for other forces to come together with them by tarnishing their image and making it inconvenient for any group to join them, because they know that if groups join the ADF and they surround themselves with ADF, we are going to be more effective. So ladies and gentlemen, we will leave this side now. We will go directly for the very big thing we will get for Duan today. When I analyze the speech for Fontem Niba, it be very important. When I know say this one na intellectual platform, platform for people that they think, na critical think at their platform, no platform for those make noise, empty noise, but they give una the real stuff. Where if it get effect for our revolution positively, if it impact our revolution positively. So we'll take una now for the speech for Fontem Niba, and we will also play a speech where it command an excerpt from the panel show will be interview Dr. Anyangwe. It be very important. We're gonna follow up this one, a very crucial segment. Now the main reason this will come online today, so we're gonna follow them very, very closely. Any man will not get brain for thing. If you go house now, if you go sleep, now the only thing we put it and get sense. So now the speech is for Fontem Niba. When I know say first of all, Fontem Niba, if he don't come, it will be a little bit controversial since he come out of prison. He just should be quiet. He need to talk anything. Information will be get him, will be confirmed, and also it become generated by one of the frontline leader, no be Ayabacho. One of the frontline leader, where then two they be there together. The frontline leader be one of those people in there for Switzerland. It be tell we say Fontem Niba, they be confirmed say some of the family member they be used by La Republique for intimidating. They be use them like leverage over ye, and it be the affective behavior. We don't know what that problem that be solved, but if we guess from what we do and now say it be genuine, maybe it don't solve that problem, it be free now, and we'll be very happy for see they come out like an activist. We'll go analyze what we talk because it gives some very crucial information and some very crucial points and we will need them going forward. So we're gonna follow up together with me for a speech we give.
My fellow Southern Cameroonians, I reach out to you today in fraternal love and to explain.
Wow, the volume is too low. I don't know if the volume is okay, but if it is okay, can somebody indicate on the comment section that the volume is okay?
And I reiterate my relentless pursuit of a property, and the misery this war has inflicted on us is unimaginable. No family has been spared. The brave men stood up to defend our communities.
I will forward and small so that I will go for the main point where I want present and then when I go here. So I will forward and small how you go the talk it go.
We are supposed to be celebrating our victory and marshalling plans for a transition.
So by now we'll be supposed to already win this war. We'll be supposed to already get our independence. Una the year. Una continue for year.
The return of displaced persons, the rehabilitation, reconstruction, building democratic institutions, and electing our own representatives, etc.
Yeah, the volume is too low. I don't know how I can add it. Let me see. I've put it maximum. The sound quality is really low, I admit. Should I continue it or I should just analyze it? I really want you to hear so that I correlate with his word. I'm also going to play another video from Dr. Carson Anyangwe, which is very important that you hear in terms of the format of our struggle, where we are heading and how we will win this war. It's very, very important information. Is the volume too low? If it is too low, you tell me. I don't want to hear it's normal. I know that the volume is there. If it is too low, you say it and then I'll stop the video. Somebody, I need assistance from somebody other than myself. Somebody say still low. Somebody say okay. Somebody say go ahead. So I'll go ahead as George Ari have said. I really want us to listen. Oh man way no get sense. Man way in a man way just want a noise entertainment. If you go, if you leave the show now. Now time for serious people the way they get sense. So when I some assimilated people they gonna say book people. The feel saying a book they give sense, not be only book. You get education, natural education where na people they don't get about Ganzuro na go understand. So maybe we'll launch the segment because I used to come back, I go record the video, them share them for WhatsApp. So I used to take some time to introduce the segment again, so that when I record them for share them later for WhatsApp, it will be good. So I hope say all my followers them wanna be familiar with that. So ladies and gentlemen, would want to get into this segment will be very important for listen for the speech where Dr. Fontem Niba it dan deliver them. Now a very important speech. It get critical information regarding our formation to effectively prosecute this revolution to its expectant end. So I go play the audio. The volume be very low, but it will be manageable. It be important. We're gonna hear from a voice. I go also correlate them with the audio and video from an excerpt of the panel show. We will be getting with Dr. Carson Anyangwe, when I'm a boss for the foreign affairs for the interim government. So maybe we'll hear from them by a voice as he go to talk the go.
This has not been the case. Rather, we continue to receive frantic messages urging our people to run into the bushes because the enemy is coming and character and doubtful morality. It is the truth that sets men free, not lies. And so, I want us to face these truths, not minding whose ox is God.
So it is the truth that set us free. We not base the hope of 8 million people on pranks and lies. Like the lie where Sako can stand, it talk say the United Nations that invite we for come for that commission. All those things cannot give us any hope. We cannot base our hope that some Brazil country have come to recognize him because the HD go there to arrange with the Demonte plantation there to do that, and then we think that by that hope we will win. No.
The trouble with our liberation is those who have pegged it to their pride and think that anything that does not benefit them personally is not good for our people. Let that
one day like the thing the way Chris Ano they do them. They feel say if no be something when a private station them. To way no go bring money for them personally. You know go feel hell, it no be good for Amazonia.
Emotion be dispelled right now. Our people have died, many are bereaved, many more have lost their homes, while others have fled into exile. There are those who, by their very involvement, will never go back home unless they surrender, and some are already doing so. Many people who once led happy lives are learning to start all over again, and many more are consigned there. My fellow Southern Cameroonians, if I have undertaken to draw our collective attention to these issues, it is because in the course of the last year, I have consulted with those who laid the foundation of this liberation struggle in 2016, well-meaning individuals in the diaspora and other political exiles whose feeling of despair has attained a point of exasperation. Just as we said, enough is enough to La République du Cameroon, it is time to also tell Southern Cameroonian politicians to stop the infighting.
Yeah, this is very important. It is time for us to stop any infighting. I will actually take this moment to define infighting because sometimes we mistake attacks from people who have been corrupted like Chris Anu and Sako to be infighting. Those are not infighting. Real infighting are fighting between the legitimate frontline groups, the groups that constituted the foundation of this revolution, the 7 groups that came together to form SCACUF. Those constituent groups are the legitimate groups. They have been engaged in infighting, in particularly Bo Herbert of Maurice. You have seen his behavior. He has to compromise his core principles to go down to Switzerland, even when he knows that it cannot give us independence, because he wants to be the only leader. We have seen it with all of those our leaders, whether it is John Bakoro, whether it's Atta Milan, whether it's Ebenezer Kwanga. All of those, their infighting have to stop. All of those, our frontline leaders, the foundation of this revolution, it has to stop. I don't count Sako, because Sako is still part of that, is supposed to be part of that institution, the IG. And the head of that IG is Siseko Ayoktabi. There is still infighting with Siseko Ayoktabi and the other people, competition. As he will say, even in prison, they sign documents. You don't see the name of our leader there, who was one of the consortium leader, Patasan Wilfred. It is like if Siseko say yes, he must say no. It is no longer about rational thinking. It's just like this one say yes, this one must say no. All that competition amongst them, all of those our frontline leaders, is what is killing us. Forget about Sako. Sako is not infighting. It is foreign attack. But that infighting amongst those our leaders should end. I believe if those leaders, those founder leaders, those fundamental leaders, they abandon all their egos, they come together, we will win this thing within the shortest possible time. So we're gonna continue for a year.
Tearing our people apart and preventing us from moving forward in this restoration quest. Even the efforts made to rally our politicians around a common vision are so often deliberately disrupted once they no longer serve their personal interest.
So if we want to do anything, if Bo Herbert no see say na he go dey for front, he go start begin commodity, because he know say if nothing we go bring say na competent person Ayabacho go win for day, he go come out. If they want bring anything for unity for military, Ebenezer Kwanga go better spoil na he than say me go dey. They go better spoil am. Atta Milan, if na say me you can shoot on you and Ebenezer Kwanga, you go better spoil am. All that things that na put we for place where they na make them infiltrate, or they infiltrate this revolution, take advantage of this revolution. Now because those core members them, they are fighting, they are political fighting for be leaders, for take the lead. Na spoil them. You see the same thing for SCBC. They not the one left activists they made them go there because they fear say they go deter people for realize say other people than they other than the one the way it give them their power base. And by so doing, it come back and haunts them. If they do things them properly, the Chris Anu is TV station over there today.
The division is even in prison among our prisoners of conscience.
Yeah, even the division, even in prison, they still be divided amongst themselves. They write later, one man they can't sign. All man they sign, one man they sign. Even when we reach for it, if they stand today, say go talk say 1A, he go talk say B, you want to say C.
Who were supposed to be united by the same cause. We cannot build a nation on falsehood. It is dangerous and even worse than the one we are running away from. I say this particularly to those people who habitually twist my words out of proportion and send the wrong message to our people, because having run out of ideas, they can only afford to tell lies and mischaracterize my person. Southern Cameroonians must be free.
Even Fontaine Lipa is guilty of this. You allow yourself to be tied to the SCYL, what they call it SCYT, where they be go for day, because they be the one bring those things together because they saw you were susceptible. That you align yourself with Sako, he hides behind you and tries to bring people there to hijack the revolution, and you also made that mistake.
Southern Cameroons must be free, but not through lies and the greed for power. As recently as last week, I titled an essay, "Beware of those who want." Tired of these fellows who are doing everything to give everyone a bad name instead of working strategically to deliver independence to our.
Yeah, so he's talking about Chris Anu. He's working tirelessly. But we know that already. I'll not waste my time. I'll try to forward it. It's very important what I want to present to you guys today.
From the consultations I have had with our people, this is what they want so that new life can be injected into our struggle.
This is the way forward. When I listen.
1. That our leaders form a common platform. Call it a front, a council, or a movement.
The first one, say make we form a front. I be all for this one. I know say this one a position will be a little bit difficult because not be 100% the position of the AG of CBET, even though they be willing to collaborate. I believe that any collaboration can be reduced to a common platform that people can relate to, because we must acknowledge the fact that there are some people in who are followers of certain frontline leaders or frontline movements that will never switch sides, that are loyal to those leaders or are loyal to those ideologies. Like the people of Siseko, who are hardcore Siseko, who just want the issue concerning government, irrespective of the leader of the consequences. They may never switch side. We must be able to accommodate all of them and have a single platform that can filter through consensus that will be accepted as something that they have an impact in. Because right now, the leader we have is Ayabacho Lucas. The leader who is leading the church is Ayabacho Lucas. But those people will not be able to relate with him if they don't see that common platform, which I believe Fontem Niba talks about, which is very important. I still believe in that revolutionary council idea, or have some type of a council that can sit together. But you don't want a council that can be used to undermine leadership. So I believe a council with a chairman who is actually leading the church should be better.
With either a rotational leadership or a mandate.
The idea of a rotational leadership is a wrong idea. They can say the chairmanship of a council should be rotational, but the chairman will actually be the leader. So if the council should have a mandate, a well-specified mandate, if it's a consultative council, they can come up with a consultative council where a consensus can be reached about certain critical decision on negotiation, certain critical decision about defense, like the lockdown and things like that. Things can filter through. But to have a rotational leadership in a revolution does not work. Leadership is based on competence. To chair meetings can have rotational chairmanship whose job should be prescribed as being controller of discussion, like in the parliament. But in terms of political leadership, you should have a single person leading and guiding the revolution based on competence. It is a wartime. Una want be leader. Bo Herbert, you don't believe in violence. You don't believe in war. John Bakoro, you don't believe in war. If we have to have a rotational leadership, and we have somebody like you who is a patriot, who is advancing a different aspect of the revolution, but not it wholesomely, how will it work? We must have somebody who is taking the charge, leading the struggle to lead any such a thing. So may we continue.
Roles must be carved out, not the current situation whereby everyone is jack of all trades and master of none.
Yeah, I think rules must be carved out so that we go protect ourselves against infiltrators. For example, the time where SCACUF will be formed, they don't create the leadership council, where we supposed to give mandate for the chairman of SCACUF. The chairman be taking decision without even consulting them. Even when they consult them, the consultation is still going on. He gets frustrated and he goes around and takes his decision. That is how the disunity started all right from the initiation, from the beginning, because we ignored the rules that were laid down. Those rules were not even known to many Ambazonians. We have to make sure that we give rules, they come to a memorandum of understanding, present it to the Ambazonian people so that we can always use it as a benchmark or a yardstick to judge people. People will not be able to manipulate people.
The same person is chairman, president,
I think the two last points are very important.
Fundraising agent, treasurer, etc. It speaks poorly of us. Such a platform, number 2, such a platform should have a maximum of 5 committees which should coordinate standards of excellence by sourcing for those Southern Cameroonians who are knowledgeable, competent, and skilled in these aspects. Not just any Tom, Dick, or Harry, as it has been the case.
Yeah, so if you have competent having other leading department, why should a competent person not lead the revolution?
Many people a sore ear for it. Their nauseating habits and loud noise are eroding support and funding. And surprisingly, these people are instead getting louder. They simply don't get it.
Judith, ma address you. Some of una British English, una ran law sense. You tell a man wey fit wan travel make correction for some man say no be say they dey come ground beef na ground beef no be ground beef na ground beef. Some of you una PhD people dem dey swear take care I warn you. Say na rule or no be rule. Now I'll call all the two na rule or rule. What anyone want anyone will understand them you take them. You don't understand that you grab you come over there you go sit on your own side.
3. On the morrow of independence, there shall be a transition period just like in every new nation.
We need to agree on all these things. When independence will come, we will get transition. Any man wey dey for inside that transition no go take power for the real government. All those things they need to be important.
Very corrupt and presidential one.
We need to reassure people they worry about power mongering.
Transition arrangements shall not be.
Transition arrangement have to be made before we get to independence because it will help to pacify many of those people who are worried that Ayabacho will become a leader. This one will become a president. Or this one will become a president. Seko will become a president. We need that arrangement now, not before that day will come. We need it now.
Eligible for office in the first election. This will create a level playing field and stop the power mongers from turning the new.
That is very important. Amongst those leaders, Akwanga, Bo Herbert, John Makoro, Godidinka, all those people, they have to be assured that nobody will take power by force. And I'm sure Ayabacho support that because when I was in the council of the British Southern Cameroon Resistance Forces, we had an agreement with them about that. So I'm sure he has no complexity to accept that that is what he wants. We should do that.
Country into another South Sudan. 4. The idea of government was a mistake and has never ceased to be.
Okay, the one are the most important part. The idea of a government. I'll go play now Dr. Carson Anyangwemi Tokam because as an interim government official, we still get some canker worm them for this was struggle with and they for inside the interim government and their supporter the way they still believe for this thing say government. We need to bury this idea once and for all. When I hear from Fontaine by again me Tokam, then I will go for Carson Anyangwemi na the architect, now the head of the foreign department for the interim government. Make it talk about this issue concerning government. Maybe we'll settle them once and for all. And if this is the truth, if this is effective, then the interim government should have no reason any longer to continue posturing itself and projecting itself like a government. We have now the Ambazonia Bank. Tomorrow we will have the Ambazonia Police. Tomorrow people will get confused again. We are playing into a negative narrative that have been stated time and time again that it was wrong. Even Milton Chaka, when I was still in that Mark Barata's organization called SCAF, he came there, he also admitted it was wrong, it was a mistake, and it cannot take us anywhere. We'll listen again for Fontaine and then I'll jump this one, I'll go for the Carson Anyangwe speech. When I hear again.
Not the very corrupt and presidential one. Those who take surprisingly, these people are instead getting louder. They simply don't get it. 3. On the morrow of independence, there shall be a transition period just like in every new nation.
When I hear number 4, very important.
During this time,
we will jump on from there go for the next point.
And institutions will be put in place for a parliamentary system of government which is more accountable, not the very corrupt and presidential one. Those who take part in the transition arrangements shall not be eligible for office in the first election. This will create a level playing field and stop the power mongers from turning the new country into another South Sudan.
Number 4 on a year.
4. The idea of government was a mistake and has never ceased to be. The experts have said it, our wise ones have said it, and we have seen that it only serves personal interest. It is the vehicle of corruption and disruption in the struggle. It is responsible for the infighting we are witnessing, and people have paid huge sums of money to buy appointments and contracts when we get to Boya. Such people, therefore, have never accepted a common platform for fear of losing their crooked investment. That is what has stultified our struggle and generally killed trust. Through
So they want to be very important. Some people they don't pay money for get position for the interim government. I know the one there for China here. I know the one there for South Africa. So when they don't position themselves for can become like the next CRTV manager, you even get the one Patrick Ayuk, some very nice guy where he really support the struggle for South Africa. He don't open his own newspaper. His newspaper they call an is in a Cameroon Concord or wait, I don't forget he died newspaper in name. Now they die hard people where they put money for the struggle, but they don't put their own investment for this struggle. Now will become the next millionaire then will get independence. Those type of people then they flop for inside the IG. You get so one day they even put them for Restoration Council because of their financial contribution where they don't pay money. I don't talk for some of them don't even talk for me. Say now they want now you go be one who go for Ambazonia, now you go to do road construction. All those people them it be premature, it be a mistake, and they don't be the main people there they block anything where you get it be reasonable way if you make us more advanced. The whole idea of a government is wrong, it's a mistake. The experts have said it. We have experimented already. We have years of experiment. The result is bad. It is bad, and it is bad. If even those who are advocating for the dissolving of the IG, let's say if they are right, shall we do it or not? If people who are advocating will dissolve the IG, it is so important for us to hold it and have the consequences that it is having in our psychology and to our people and to our forces. You have seen all the type of wrong ideology. Restoration Force. Restoration Force is so ambiguous. What does it mean? What are you restoring? Southern Cameroon? Did Southern Cameroon ever have independence? If our argument is that the independence that they were given in the United Nations was never effectuated because the instruments were given to Aiju, and we became part of La République du Cameroun, which was annexed in conspiracy with the United Nations. Then what are you restoring really? You want to restore British Southern Cameroon to go back under the trusteeship system, or you want to restore West Cameroon, or what do you want to restore? So those type of restoration things, restoration movement, restoration things are things that have been planned in this struggle by those who have been put there by Mr. Maurice Kamto and Akeremuna, working with La République du Cameroun's master, the French government. You know that we have two enemies. They have told you already. We have two enemies. We have those who are working with the French government and those who are working with La République du Cameroun. Because you have those two elements, they are still fighting for their transition of power. Those people have infiltrated us, giving us wrong ideologies, wrong names. That's why they are calling states county. If we have real people who are thinking through things, these things will not happen because they'll be able to spot out this little bit things that have been planted to destroy us, to confuse us. Our flag clearly shows 13 stars representing the 13 states. The idea that have been put out there is just for consideration. But if they have ever adopted anything, is the 13 stars for the 13 states. When we have independence, we will actually have to vote which one is what. But for the simply way for people and get something for column, we will not get all those counties as states. We will not copy the Nigerian things them. So we need for wise up. Say the issue concerning the government was a wrong idea. The experts have said it. Experience have shown it. It is a distraction. It is holding us behind. It cannot go. And my argument for those who are against dissolving is that what if the interim government is the problem? Will it be worth it to hold it and die and suffer and have a perpetual, never-ending revolution, or it will be good for us to dissolve it or transform it? Everybody have accepted. Seseko Ayuk Tabi is the figurehead, is the leader, he embodies the revolution by virtue of his pronouncement of our independence. He should remain as such. But in terms of actual leadership, the structure itself does not matter. All this movement does not matter. Even Godi Dinka also have a government. He's also a president. It does not matter. So we should think it through. I'll play another video, when I had a video for Dr. Kasina Nyangwe. We'll interview for here so that make he talk about the same thing in the light, because now he be the current head of the foreign department, now he be the architect of the interim government. Maybe when I hear it, we give a talk also concerning this subject.
Sure, the imprisonment and the killing was still going on. So you need to fashion or craft an instrument that will actually move that liberation struggle forward. And we thought of what perhaps, on hindsight, we infelicitously called a government. Maybe we should have thought of another name. Because now, looking at it, I believe that that idea of a government, it got some people crazy in their minds. And already people start seeing themselves as ministers, as presidents. And I remember, even at Zaria, I said, no, let's don't call people excellency. Africans love titles, they love names. That's what I call a peacock syndrome, to be seen, even if just seeing them is what they want, and there's no content in what you see. But of course, our people, because of the nearly 60 years of operation, used to a system where even a small colonial district officer is called His Excellency. I don't know what they're excellent in, but I call them Excellency. So that what happened. But we had a good sense of saying that we must limit, even if you call it a government, it should not be more than 7 departments. That's what we said. But this hasn't happened. We've seen over the months, bloating to a point where we have 73 ministries or whatever. I've never seen even more established governments have that kind of a system. That's why it just blew up my mind. And I said, this is unacceptable. And I find people also calling themselves Excellency, the president with the presidential guard, with presidential security, with presidential this and so on. No, this was really an aberration, if burdened on delusion, as far as I'm seeing. And that's why I had to come out and I said, no. We moved away from our core values in that stage. We should recenter this whole thing. And I'm praying and hoping that now we've identified that one, we can rebrand this struggle.
We can rebrand this struggle. Listen.
Focus more on ground level and also on internationalization. And by the way, let me say, and I've never said this, for people who think that I don't. Before December last year, I was in the US and I sat down with a group of colleagues I put together. And I put together a document drawing from the samples of all the national liberation movements in Africa here that have fought, including 1 or 2 from Europe, for national liberation. My idea was to restructure this whole thing into a military wing and a political wing.
We need a restructuring of the interim government. It has been overdue. It don't overstay. We need to restructure the whole thing, or we dissolve the whole thing if it not be restructured. We know the interim government cannot continue the way it is continuing. It cannot. If we really like our people, it cannot. If the interim government, the assessment of Dr. Kasina Nyangwe, the assessment of Fontem Niba have given all of this information, and then we are still the way we are, because it will just be because we want to maintain some people's title. It will not be because of Ambazonia or the revolution. So I'll just play this short excerpt for them when I hear what he talk about the interim government, whether it will be intended to be the way it be or not.
We're still going on. So you need to fashion or craft an instrument that will actually move that liberation struggle forward. And we thought of what perhaps, on hindsight, we infelicitously called a government.
So it was never a government. It was just looking for an instrument that could serve the revolution. And it was a mistake to even call it a government. It wasn't that it was a government. That wasn't the intent. It was supposed to serve as a nursery to prosecute a nursery for a future government. As a matter of fact, I participated in that conclave. The whole idea was when we go to Buea, that is when we are going to actually install an interim government. It was just to be like a nursery where you start to get people ready and say that once that moment will come, we will have people to be ready to hit the ground and running. But some people, they don't carry and turn them. They prefer starting up with Seseko to give him exaggerated praises and say, you are now the president. Even when he was appointed the chairman, they call him president. In the Zaria, we made him the interim president. And they came out and they said, no, we don't want that title. We want this president, His Excellency, because behind they already was, they were masterminding the completely transformation of what would be a government with the intention that that thing was going to be a trap for us to hold us down. So, ladies and gentlemen, may we go to the closing remarks of the presentation My closing remarks today, I will use it as a segment to talk about our failure to the youth and the students of Ambazonia. Over 1.5 years ago, I came to you, the Ambazonia people, and I talked about the need for us to properly have a comprehensive educational plan, a comprehensive wartime educational plan for our children. I advocated for the need for us to open more and more community schools. It all fell on deaf ear because all the major activists, they were more interested in political fame and popularism and all those things. Even the interim government and the AGOPC, they all failed. Thank God General Arike had come out of captivity and advocated through his soldiers. We did research, we worked with them. We have interview students in Bambili, some teachers and everything. And we come together and said that, okay, they opened the schools, which is something General Arike always wanted as well. We started community school there. The community school that was opened in Batibo by the AGOPC was also closing. They have now opened several schools. They have schools even in Saw, they have schools, community schools everywhere. We could have been forcing the religious authorities to set up wartime education places, go in the quarters, force the people to open holiday classes type of format education for our children during this wartime. Right now, we have failed them. That is why active school under the Republic of Cameroon school system is going on in Ambazonia and nobody is talking about it. This is wrong. We should have provided an alternative. We have made it impossible. It has become a weakness on our part. The world is now seeing us like being against education when it was supposed to be the other way around. We have failed our people and we have to recognize that and fix it right now before we get into another summer holiday for next year. We must fix it. We have failed our students by not acting early enough, by not listening to reasonable minds because we want to listen to specific people that prey on our gullibility and our search for fame and entertainment in this activism field. We have failed them. It is not acceptable. It is now no more acceptable to call for school boycott because we have failed our people in providing alternative school for our children during a wartime. We all know that we cannot possibly stop school for our children for more than 5 years. 3 years should be the maximum. And we have not figured that inside. We have not put that as a primary motivation to have another arm, the civil arm, do that. I have opened a Department of Education, but the level of engagement is still low. Even amongst our refugees, it's still low. The Catholic Church have engaged with the forces on ground zero, sometimes even bribing them. Instead of us taking that initiative to open school in our own term, now many schools have opened. Many is not effective, but many schools have opened, which means that we could have actually had those schools running under the revolution. We now have our children going to the same schools we are fighting to separate ourselves from. This is a big failure of our revolution. It is something that I'm still advocating again, that we must ensure that no school licensed and operating under La République du Cameroun curriculum is allowed to function in Ambazonia. But we cannot do so now effectively without creating any incentive for our parents and students to accept it. We must therefore, in areas that we control dynamically, set up more community schools. We must therefore work with the Catholic Church, with the Presbyterian Church, to use their premises or allow them to open community school under certain revolutionary standard. We cannot allow our children to continue to learn the curriculum and under license from La République du Cameroun with the amount of our people dying. That will be seen as provocation, and people who bear the brunt of this fight may lash out and commit atrocity that may bring the whole revolution in jeopardy. My country people, I plead with you to take up this matter as I will continue to work and push it under the table with the frontline leaders. This is a crucial matter. It's something that does not look entertaining, but it is very important that we get it right. We must develop more community schools. We must force those schools that are within our territory to sing the Ambazonian anthem, not to teach English, and not to bring La République du Cameroun public exams inside our territory. We have spoken to experts and they have recommended that they can use report card for future reference to be accredited by an Ambazonian Board of Education. We should do that, and we should do that now. We should have the moral grounds, we have the moral duty to our people, because we are the ones calling for school boycotts to provide alternative for learning. That should be taken as an urgent issue to be handled by our leaders. And I know this day everybody is is lazy, but we must do that hard job for our people. Concerning the lockdown, we should all be ready to enforce the lockdown. Every man for Ground Zero carry small stone put on for road. So thank you all for joining this show, for making it an interactive show. May God bless all now. The egg of seed, the ADF, they don't change their website. No be seen changshu.org. Now na changshuboys.com. They need urgent donation for beep up, for bring back the capacity for which we supposed to be due to the losses we did incur under General Chacha. We will call General Chacha for release those the way they see under captivity, for set them free so that they can engage actively with their soldiers for lockdown Amazonia. It be wrong the thing we don't do in it for release them now. So thank you all very much for making this an interactive show. God bless you. Happy Chinese New Year. Sanlin Philok. This is your Vanguard. Capo Daniel, Sense Pass King, Lukong, FBI, two-side callers over Sabi, no all. We accept them all. God bless you.